Hello, welcome to this video in the rain. Unfortunately, I have got a customer asking me for a video, but it will not stop raining here today. It's been raining all day, so I was hoping it'd slow down, but no. So we're gonna have to do a wet video. There's already 100 photos on the website advert which shows every panel. Oh, there's some bird muck there. That's just bird muck where the birds had a poop. So yeah, it's been parked here under this tree here. That's where the birds had a poop. Yeah, just basically being as good as we can. Make sure that there's no scuffs on the edges of the bumpers or the wings or anything like that. Lots of people are very dubious because they can't believe we're taking 100 photos of the cars, and you know they have to see for their own eyes. So all this bottom of this door, look, there's no tar spots or anything like that. There's no different colour paint panels, and there's no dents as such. So there's no scratches around the door handles there, edges of the door. There's no marks there. I'll stop if I see anything, basically. If there's anything that's damaged or scratched, I'll stop and have a look. Nothing on there, nothing on there. The alloy wheels are all nice and good. Brand new rear tyres, by the way, and it's had the four-wheel alignments. The rear tyres are brand new. Let me just get here. I can't even see, it's a bit too dark. Just going dark now. It's about 5 o'clock, and it's getting dark, and it won't stop raining. No trap seatbelt marks on the door shuts at all. No scratches on the plastic down here. No scratches on the back of the seats. The rear seats are all nice and tidy. Doesn't smell of smoke, doesn't smell of dogs. The leather at the back, totally unmarked. The air vents are nice and clean, no damage from the kids kicking them. That door card's immaculate. Down this side, the lights are nice and clean, no green moss growing at the bottom, no condensation at all, and no cracks at all. The rear of the bumper, let me just wipe it with my hands, make sure you're happy. No scratches or scuffs on the corners, no cracks on the reflectors at all, because they're common when someone reverses into that and cracks the reflectors. Let's swipe this with my hand. You can see there's nothing there at all along there. That reflector not cracked at all. No scratches on the corners of the bumper. You can see the roof is nice and tidy. Look in the boot. It's a manual tailgate. The parcel shelf is present. There's two parcel shelves. There's one stuck there as well. Then the carpet, if you look right in the fibres, there's no dog hairs in there. It's all nice and clean. Under here there's a tool kit there, the space saving spare wheel. Everything is as it should be. What's in here? Oh, there's something in here. That's the jack there. In there there's a first aid kit down there as well. So it's all there, all the clips are there. The chrome strip on there is immaculate. It's not dented, it's not scratched. There's no scratches on the bumper, there's no rips in the rubber seal there at all. Up here's a warning triangle under there as well. That's all nice and clean. There's no scratches from any dogs what have been scratching in the past or anything like that. There's no scratches on the glass or up here on that area at all. All the door shuts there are immaculate as well. Let's go this side. Oh, let me do the outside. So we got to here, petrol cap there. There's no scratches from the petrol cap being dangling from there. The rubber is still there as well, the rubber string. So you know you've got a holder just there to put on, so it's not being dangling, and there's no evidence of any overspray on the plastic there. So the car has not had paint damage or repairs, because that's how you can tell by looking at the rubber around the rim there, see if anyone's masked it off. So that's all nice and clean. There's no different shades of paint anywhere. The rear brake discs are recent as well, new pads, There's no advisories on the MOT. Oh, and I'm ringing now. Oh gosh. Let me just. Hello. Right. Okay. I'll come in morning that one then. All right. Sorry. Right. I'm just in the middle of a video. Yeah. Okay. I'm just in the middle of a video. Let me ring you back. All right. Cheers. Bye. Right. Sorry about that. I'm just going to get one chance of this. I'm absolutely wet through at the moment. Yeah. It's all dry down there. Back to the seat. No damage at all. All nice and clean. Door shuts. Immaculate. No scratches. Let me wipe that again. Clean. All these doors down here nice and clean. Driver's door, in fact, let's do the condition. But there's no dents, no scratches anywhere. Back to the wing mirror corners. Let me just wipe that. There's nothing on there at all. There's no tar spots on the bottom of the door. It's all immaculate. The bonnet, it's all clean. Windscreen, no chips. Get in here. Right, the door, driver's door, all nice and clean. The door card there, all nice and clean. 4 electric windows, electric mirrors. Inside the door pockets there, that's nice and clean. Speaker grills are clean, not damaged. Door shuts, immaculate, all jet washed and cleaned. Foot pedals all clean as well. Just get this piece of paper out. Obviously it's wet because. Right, all the carpets are clean. What else have we got? The seat, driver's seat. Just hold it there, the bolster. Minimal wear, 80,000 miles. Got the electric lumbar support as well. Let's just get in and close the door. Right, okay, so that is just a storage there, as well as the, how can I say, you can put something down there, very small, and then you've also got the screen there, which you can manually put down and up, like so. There we go, so it's got the DAB radio, I think it's got the parking sensors. Yeah, so reverse that. It's the parking sensors is a beepy one, so it's not got the photo or the picture on there. Some of them bring the cartoon picture up there. This hasn't got that, it's just the beepy one, which goes beep, and that's it. So DAB radio, at least it's got that. Sat nav, this one needs an upgrade. Sat nav has to be upgraded, unlocked by the dealer, so they'll charge you a few £100 to unlock that feature as well. So you've got a CD player, you've got SD 1 and 2 card slots there as well. What else have we got here? Obviously the car, etc. So if you press that, and that will come up, it'll tell you vehicle settings, driver assistance, aircon servicing and checks. So it's got all that. You've got the telephone as well, which brings up the Bluetooth, connect your phone. You've also got your stop start button there, you've got your traction control button there, and then you've got your climate control, which I'm going to put the heaters on. So I'm going to start to steam up now. As you can see, it's obviously absolutely throwing it down. 21.5 degrees, so it's got aircon as well. Down here you've got the gear lever, 6-speed. Then down here, electronic handbrake, 12 volt, 2 12 volts, because there's another one there, look. There's 2 12 volts. Locking wheel bolt there in that pouch. Drinks holders nice and clean. Leather armrest there, which moves up to a storage, and inside the storage, you can't see that in there because it's that dark. It's actually got a port, what they call the MMI port, so you can plug in an adapter, which you can buy off eBay, to obviously connect to a USB or your iPhone, etc. So you've got that port there. It's an MMI port. What else have you got? So we've got the invoices here, just been serviced by our garage here. So invoice to us at DN Trading. This is a VW Audi Specialist Hillside Garage. So MOT test, engine oil filter change, supply and fit new timing belt kit and water pump and auxiliary belt as well. That's the oil, fully synthetic VW oil as well. Gates branded timing belt kit and water pump, auxiliary belt and long life antifreeze. So all that's being done. And then obviously new MOT with no advisories because we had the new tyres and the four-wheel alignment. This is the Audi database service record, so if you walk into an Audi dealer, they will bring that up on their computer and it says tooth belt done by Hillside Garage on that date. So that's the Audi record, the service. The previous service was a long life oil service 2022 by Mix Auto, so it's every 20,000 miles or 2 years if it's long life service on this vehicle. What's that one? That one is the one at 18,000 miles, and there's another one there. Then there's some more Audi invoices from 21,000 miles there, carried out MOT at Southend Audi, old MOT there. And then we've got a what we've got there, bronze. So that's the oil, that's a receipt for the oil what they bought, so they must have been a service there. Yep, service, a bronze service there at 70,000 miles, and a check as well there, previous MOT certificate there, and that is it. What was the previous MOT certificate? Right, there's a nail in the tyre. There's a booklet here. There's no service booklet with these Audis now, they're all digital online. That's just a service schedule guide, so it just tells you the paint code, the chassis number in there, and it tells you when things are due. Okay, and it says to you that it is a 24-month, it can be a 24-month service on this vehicle. That is it on there. What else have we got in here? We have got computer buttons, stereo on the steering wheel. Look, the steering wheel is immaculate. Look, there's no sort of like worn leather or anything like that. No stitching coming undone on the steering wheel. Like those bits there. There's no cracks in the glass there from the lights. Let me put the lights on because they're not on auto. There we go. I put them on now. You can see we've got a bit of fuel in there. No lights on. 78,200 miles. The temperature is obviously low. I've just started it up, so it's not even warm at the moment. Central locking button. We expected another key from the lady owner that sold it. It's local to us. It's a friend's wife actually. So she only lives a mile and a half up the road, and she bought a new Evoque. She's just got on holiday, and she says she's going to find the key for us. Now, in the event she doesn't find the key, we're going to have to get one cut for you as well. So it will include another key. What else have we got? That is about it. Let's pop the bonnet, shall we? Let's pop the bonnet, look under there, make sure you're happy. Get a little bit wet again. It just will not stop. Right, under here, like brand new. Obviously the antifreeze, bright pink, it's just been changed as well. You can see it's been well looked after. You've got an original VW branded fuel filter there as well. The TDI engine, all nice and clean. No algae, tree leaves, or anything like that there. It's all immaculate. All up here as well. All the stickers are present. There's nothing at all. Nothing at all. And it's HPI clear as well. So it's not been involved in any accidents or insurance claims through the insurance company. You can see we've checked all the screws are all in place as well. Nothing's missing. Nothing looks like it's been moved. Nothing's broken. None of the plastic clips are broken. All here, you've got all these clips are there. You've got to look at these items when you look at a car. Make sure nothing's missing. Make sure nothing's damaged at all. So there's nothing at all on this vehicle that we can see. Even down to the chrome grille at the front. Look round that. Make sure no one's hit anything and cracked the chrome work, or it's starting to come away. Nothing like that. Okay. Right, that's it. Thanks for watching.